Have you considered that your laundry detergent may be one of the more harmful products in your home? Maybe you have the desire to revamp your approach to laundry, but have been hesitant. You might think that it's too complicated, too time-consuming, or of too little importance. How harmful can detergent be anyway? So how do these products affect you? Here are just 6 toxic dangers that may be lurking in your laundry products. 1. Fragrance. This word refers to hundreds of chemicals, and the vast majority of those chemicals are not even used to cleaning. This touch is simply to make you believe that your clothes are cleaner based on what you smell. According to the Environmental Working Group, fragrances are counted in the top 5 allergens and can trigger asthma attacks. 2. Surfactants. These are many types of cleaning agents used in laundry detergent. One type is petroleum distillate, or naphtha. Naphthas derived from synthetic crude oil are used to dissolve grease and grime. Research has linked naphthas to damage of the mucous membranes and lungs, as well as inflammation, asthma, and even cancer. 3. Bleach. Household bleach, sodium hypochlorite, is commonly known for its extremely toxic properties. Some people attribute bleach to more household poisonings than any other chemical. When it reacts with organic material in the environment, it generates chlorinated VOCs, which are very toxic and are considered human carcinogens. 4. 1,4-dioxane. 1,4-dioxane, also known as dioxane or diethylene oxide, is a chemical byproduct of ethyl oxalation, an inexpensive shortcut process companies use to produce softer, sudzier detergents. Because this is not an intentional ingredient, rather a contaminant, manufacturers are not required to list it on product labels. This contaminant is a known carcinogen. 5. LAS. Linear alkyl benzene sulfonates, LAS, are synthetic petrochemicals. You might see them listed as anionic surfactants on a product label. LAS is one of the more common surfactants used in detergent and may comprise up to 30% of a product's total weight. 6. NPE. Nonylphenyl ethoxylates, NPE, is a type of inexpensive, non-ionic surfactant. It is a banned substance in Canada and the European Union, but can still be found in the U.S. NPEs carry a long list of health adversities, including damage to fetal development and physical functions. So, if you want to avoid chemicals and feel good about the environment while saving money, try this homemade soap nuts recipe. Soap nuts are as natural as it gets and are available in many health stores and online. Things you'll need: 1 cup of soap berries, 4 cups water, ½ cup white vinegar. Directions: put all ingredients into a large pot and bring to a boil. Simmer on low for about 30 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to mash the berries while they are cooking. Remove lid and simmer for 30 minutes more. Stir once in a while. Take the pot off the heat and strain out the liquid. Let it cool and pour it into an airtight jar. This should give you about 40 loads.